I am at 19 Cumberland Street in Boston. It's a dead-end residential street. The next two cross streets are St. Batol Street and Huntington Ave, really close to the Peru. In the building, it's mostly one-bedroom apartments and studios. Downstairs is shared laundry. We're going to see Unit 8, which is a studio. It is on the top floor, but the top floor is the third floor, so it's really not a bad walk-up at all. Here we are, Unit 8. It's nice and renovated with the kitchenette. So you have 2 burners for cooking, but there is no oven. You do have a microwave though. And decent cabinet space. Some storage below. Apartment is facing Cumberland Street, so you have beautiful city views with the Peru. It's a really pretty street. It's not a large studio, but it's very functional. And it has a Murphy bed that folds up into a couch during the day. And that's split AC heating system. I won't open it all the way, but just a little bit to get an idea. So that falls down into a bed. Push it back up. These are the 2 handles, so you can really pull it down. And a little bit more storage. And put more stuff on top. Couple of drawers. And the bath is also renovated. I didn't turn the light on because the fan is a little loud, but here it is. Medicine cabinet. And behind the door is the shower. Behind the front door are a few hangers for coats. And here's a look at the studio again. And I will go downstairs to show the laundry so you can see the staircase again. Front door where we came from, and one more flight down to get to the laundry. This is the only 2-bedroom apartment in the building, and the laundry is here. 1 washer and 1 dryer.